All right, we're making some dinner. What do you got?
Cherry tomatoes.
Okay, what we need to do with them. We're back in action. The tomatoes have been washed.
The blueberries.
The girls' bottles need to be cleaned later. All right. Whoa. The blueberries are in with the strawberries. Let's get that. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Here, I'll get that.
Mix it.
All right, get a big spoon.
Where's a big spoon?
Tell you what, go get a chair and bring it over here. Kens, we got a problem.
What?
I left the spices in the olive oil too long and it's burnt. Redo. Mary, you can mix the blueberries and strawberries. Wow! You got a rogue blueberry over there. In Slim Jim territory. And I'm gonna dump the kale in.
So that's dumping the kale in. You can hear it popping.
You can hear it popping.
And here's Mommy's flowers.
Oh, yeah, Mommy's flowers are still doing good. All right, let's see. Where's that big spoon? I'm gonna use your spoon.
You want to make it shake after dinner? Because I've never had it shake.
We forgot the red wine vinegar.
We need a red wine vinegar. We're not making guacamole. When I'm just putting the guacamole bowl out.
And the kale is done. Okay, now we're checking on the barbecue. How's it looking there?
Good.
All right, put the lid over here next to you. Let's stir this up a little.
And the lid's still hot.
The lid's still a little bit hot. It's looking pretty good, huh?
It's looking good.
Here, try it. Good? It's getting warm too, right? Hold on, what do you want to make?
A shake.
You want to make a shake with dinner?
Like a protein shake.
Okay, all right, let's do it. So we need what do we need?
This?
What is that?
A thing that you mix with?
What'd you call it?
I don't know. I forgot.
The shaker?
Shaker.
It's the blender.
The blender. Pour it in the blender.
Hold on, let's get a scooper.
Scoop it.
All right, hold on. Back up.
Okay.
Okay. Give me like a bunch of big scoops. Oh yeah, get your hands in there. Good for immune system. Mmm.
Good for your fingers.
Maybe a couple. Yeah, good for your fingers. Maybe a couple. Here, watch. Let me show you. If you take this and go like this, you scoop it in like that.
Oh my gosh. Blueberry.
Throw them in there or eat them. All right, one more scoop.
We got one more big one. Milk. I'll put the milk in.
Okay. Do you got it all by yourself?
Now what?
now we need the protein powder. Here, dump that milk that's in that spoon back into the blender.
Oh no.
Don't worry about it. We'll just eat it.
I bet that's gonna taste milky.
Here, clean up all that excess milk.
Excess milk.
Yeah, excess milk. Now we have, guess what kind of this is? EAS protein powder for big muscles.
Can I scoop it in?
Yep, do one big giant scoop.
Of protein powder. The protein.
Okay, get them in there. There you go. Yeah, make it 2 scoops. It'll be really yummy. We're gonna get so strong. Okay, all right, put that in there. Put the lid back on.
That smells good.
Ah!
Sorry, Daddy.
Okay, lid.
We need a lid for the blender too.
Okay, look down below in the cupboard. I'll start out with the first white button.
Wait, the first.
Oh, nice and slow now. Go up a little bit. Go press the next one, yep. And the next one. And now the next one. And the next one! Ah, the next one! Whoa! The fastest one! Whoa! Okay, now hit a red one. Okay, let go. And there's our protein shake.
Yummy. So this is our dinner.
Hey, why are you putting your fingers in our protein shake?
Oh, that's too good.
Okay, I'm pouring up the protein shakes. A little bit for Brennan. A little bit for Kenzie. A little bit for Daddy. A little bit for Mama. Like, tell me what you got going on here. Show me everything you made.
Good protein shake.
Good protein shake. What else do you got?
Blueberries and strawberries.
Mm-hmm.
And meat.
Mm-hmm.
And carrot potato. Cherry.
What did you put in the
Tomatoes.
Blue.
Nothing.
Nothing.
What else do you got on your plate? Keep going.
And
Kale.
kale. It tastes like ice cream.
Mmm. Is it really good?
Yeah, it's super duper good. I'm like counting how good it is. I would probably go a billion.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'd agree with you.
Kale too.
That's it. Our protein shakes are rated at 1 billion.
Yeah.